Should we walk around a bit?
Yeah.
Okay, across the street, Joe.
Again. If they keep on doing those fireworks, we might be able to see the whole thing.
Come on. Go around this corner here, we'll be able to see.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, maybe the next corner.
I saw a few.
Yeah, that's good.
Bonfire.
We cut through here? No, this way. Next way.
There's flashes of light. What fireworks did they just set off?
Through there. Alright.
I think this is the bonfire parking area.
Is this the best spot for us?
Let's just go.
Ooh, actually, this is a good spot. Oh.
Oh my lord. Dad, we should go onto the sand.
Onto the beach?
Onto the beach.
Okay. Wow.
Holy crap.
See on the beach.
What is that? Castle?
Watch back. Watch back.
Oh.
Check where you're going before you wander. Hey, Joe. What we got there?
Phone.
Ooh,
Recording a bonfire. Why are you even there?
I don't even know where it is. I can see my fingers.
Big sound.
When you're walking back, if it gets cold, you can put a hat on. So you don't lose all of it.
Yeah. Yeah, basically, I'm here because I'm cold, it's November, and I want to stay here for warmth.
It's no snow yet. Snow's coming.
Yeah. Oh, they're putting more, more flammable stuff in. They threw in a box.
In tree planting, I know I talk about that. In camp, like all the trees.
You can get a bit closer inside.
What?
You can get a bit closer too. When you go here, you can probably see a little closer. I suppose it's the difference between this and this.
Wait, Dad, look over there.
Taking the tape down. Oh, maybe we can go a little bit closer soon.
I'm staying here.
Safety first.
Have you guys seen this? I see some people moving closer.
I'm going to try and take a picture of the moon.
I wonder if this actually turns into a fire tornado somehow.
Sorry, these are gloves. No, they were here. We got here. We seen somebody lost them.
Okay, guys, I actually get to go closer to the fire as well. That's the other people. Dad, you coming?
I think I can get a picture with the moon and the sun and the fire in the same picture.
Maybe. Yeah.
Possibly not.
Eyes hurting. Smoke. to smoke and flames to. Oh, crap! I think I see smoke coming from. I think it's getting too hot. I see smoke coming from the sand. Anyone's sandcastle's unlucky enough to be there. Good luck. Good luck trying to rebuild it after it melts and catches on fire.
I absolutely guarantee like a lot of the
I'm
arguments
s-
against
I'm
more
turning.
like build up area for air quality purposes, less of an issue when you but I absolutely guarantee someone's done something about carbon.
My eyes are getting a little bit stinging due to the fire.
Oh, is it warming up?
Using wood as a fuel is so inefficient that that's right way of heating a space. In terms of carbon.